Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This time we are going to show how to update your .NET 8 to .NET 9. So let's get started immediately. We now have a .NET 8 application. So as you can see, we have .NET 8 inside these projects. We have some NuGet packages that are not updated, and now we need to update them and also update our whole .NET to .NET 9. So we will first change the .NET version for every one of our projects. We will go to the project and properties, and in Rider it is really simple. You can just go in here and check the .NET version. You need to have that .NET version installed, of course. You just select it and OK. If you do not have Rider, you should actually go in your config files for that project and manually change. Change that also, OK. Properties, .NET 9, Web API, .NET 9, infrastructure, .NET 9, domain, .NET 9, okay, application, .NET 9, like that, that's fine. As you can see, we have no errors now. Now we will go first, for example, inside our Web API project and manage NuGet packages. We have these 7 packages inside. We can upgrade them like this and just click the upgrade button. We'll wait some time until they are upgraded. If some of these packages is not compatible, it will throw an error when we are building your project. But all should already have .NET 9. Maybe this Superbase will be a problem, but we will also be handling this in the next video. Okay, let's see. Infrastructure does not, yeah, it does need. Let's update that also. Let's go to domain. Upgrade the package. And let's go to the application project. Upgrade these packages also. Now let's go to our solution. We actually could have also used this to upgrade all at once. I missed that button, but you could actually do that, manage and manage all of them. Now we could also manage .NET SDK, select .NET SDK 9, and you also have some properties here. This is all just fine. And now let's start. Let's see. The project has successfully been built. Let's maybe test it. And authorize. Okay, that means it works. Let's go to the login. Let's try this. Unable to log in. That's okay, that means it works. Because this is the not valid credential. So this will be it, guys. So it was that easy. You just update the packages, and you just update the .NET SDK version, and you need to have that .NET SDK version installed. Problems might be occur. This is a small project, demo project, but for bigger projects, there could be troubles like some packages are not working, some things have changed, that then you need to manage all those changes, and that could be frustrating. Hopefully you guys enjoy this and learned something today. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.